Today, I want to talk to you about a way to make money selling books online and no writing required. No, I'm not saying, hey, go write a book. I promise. But what if I told you I have a site that could help you and you could literally create the book in a matter of, let's say, minutes? First, I want to ask you to smash that subscribe button if you haven't already and totally dominate the bell so you don't miss any videos. So you're going to get an update and you're going to get a notification for when I have new content, and you get to learn how to make money online and all the different ways that I teach. Pretty cool, right? You are going to want to stay to the end because I'm going to tell you a way cool way that you can make even more money online. Even though this idea is freaking awesome. You're going to love this video. I'm talking about low content books on Amazon KDP. This right here is one. This is one. This is one. They're really easy to make, and I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. But everybody always asks, oh my gosh, well, what about the shipping? What about this? What about that? Amazon does everything. I'm going to repeat that one more time. Amazon will do everything. You just have to create the book. And let me show you how it takes a matter of minutes. The website is called BookBolt. It is awesome. And it's a lot of fun. It's actually a suite of software tools. I mean, it allows you to research customers that they're actually buying. Like, you can find out what is buying from KDP and easily create the books. And it gets you right in front of the audience with the right keyword. If you're asking what is a low content book made out of, it's literally, it's the front cover and the interior. That's it. And no, it's nothing that you have to write. All you have to do is create the cover and then pick the inside. Now, if you end up thinking this is cool, BookVault does have a 3-day free trial, and then it goes to like $10 a month. It's still super cheap. But I have a 20% off coupon I asked the company to give for me, and it'll be down in the comments if you're interested. The first thing that we need to do is we want to go to the cloud, because we can actually see what customers are buying and what they're searching for. We want to get our book on Amazon as quick as possible. So let's check it out. While we're here on the first page, just click on search. See what the customers want to buy, and then we're going to create it. Let's see. I'm not saying that word. Can't remember. It's probably like a password book. A sketchbook, a comic book, graph paper. Okay. This time I was on there wasn't a lot of that. But it kind of gives you some ideas, some kids things. I created a journal on here the other day, and it was like a journal for like mom or kid. See, I mean, just notebook. That was $5. I mean, it's just, and these aren't hard. Look at these covers. There's nothing that's like extraordinarily like, I mean, black. Seriously, it's a black notebook. For real. Graph paper. I mean, come on. And for something that you can create in minutes. Pretty cool, huh? All right, I think the one thing that stood out to me the most was this. Because there's one there, and then boom, there's one there. So, but I have an idea. Okay, if we head on over to the top right, click on the, well, call it the person, and then BookBolt Designer, log in, and this one, I'm gonna do interior. I did another video, I'll link it up above, and I did it differently. I did the cover for it, if you wanna see that one. Let's do this one, 50. Keep wanting to type it in, and I know better. Okay. Remember 6x9 and 50, because you're gonna have to enter these again. Submit. Okay, and then interior at the top. If you want to go ahead and you wanted to do the cover, then you can do it here. And this is always the front. We'll get to that in a minute. Okay, let's see. They have all kinds of things, like hundreds on the inside. trying to look to see if they have something that might fit the password thing. But look, this can give you ideas like day planner. You can go back. I mean, this just really, especially after you do it the first time, it just takes minutes. Ooh, a comic book, graph. A lot of kids need the graphs. Okay, I found it. Password tracker right here. We want that one. Then 6 by 9. 50. Oh my goodness. 50. Download. Oh yeah. Kind of cool. Okay, so we have the interior. So that's one thing. Okay, so let's download it. And I'm just going to call this the inside. Save. Voila! That's it. If you are thinking that this is pretty cool, do me a favor. Give me a like. Now let's create the cover. Okay. Click on the person. Bolt designer. Log in. Cover. 6 by 9. White paper. Cover. I always try to type it, and I know better. Submit. Okay. It'll take it a minute to open up. Okay. This here is the front. This is the back. Now, if we go over here, I've uploaded some images myself. Now, we were looking for, there was flowers that was kind of popular. Again, probably because older women are ordering it. So I have uploaded some images that I thought would be pretty cool. I really was going to go with this one because I like it myself. But I was like, okay, fine. I'll roll with the punches. So I kind of like this one. So all you do is upload, and you can upload these images. There are several sites that's free and stuff on the internet. I use Envato Elements. The link will be down below. You do have to pay for it, but you get tons and tons of stuff for free. Videos and pictures and all kinds of stuff. That kind of does look pretty cool. Not too bad. And then, can't believe I'm doing this. I have a picture there. Oh, yeah, let me size you down. Size you down. Then text. I have several for you to choose from. Gonna be kind of normal. Put I can't type. Okay. Just drag it over here. We can always change the color. Again, white on black, burgundy. I could leave it poop color. Just saying. Think up here to the colors. It matches, right? And it's bolded up. I'm seriously gonna leave it like that. But that was it. I mean, it's just, you just drag and drop, and this is just some examples. I showed a different example in the video that I said earlier. So you could watch that video. But really the point is I just wanted to let you know it's this simple. It is this easy. Let's download it. Download. Okay, so here it is. It's done. Now we need to download it. And this is going to be the cover. Save. And voila! It's done. Remember, this is a constant revenue stream. And you can make 1, 2, 5, or 100. And you see, it doesn't take long either. As long as you have the right keywords, then you're going to be set. And there's a place for keywords. It's on BookBolt, or there is a Chrome extension on Amazon. All right, go ahead and head over to kdp.amazon.com. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. It's super, super simple. You still have the book uploaded in 5 minutes. No worries. You just upload the 2 files and Amazon prints it, ships it, sells it, literally everything. Okay, we're going to pick the paperback book option, the book title. All right, and we're going to say, crap, I forgot my password. Forgot how to type. Okay, subtitles optional. Let's do the password log book for all the things you need the password. All right, we got that far. The author, you can honestly make this up. You don't really have to put your name, but I'm going to go ahead and just, oops, I'm up here. I'll put my name. Okay. Okay, on the description, you're literally telling the buyer what exactly, you're telling the viewer exactly what it is that they're buying. Let's do good enough for me. How about you? Okay. And you can add more or not have as much. It doesn't really matter. I own the copyright. Okay, here we go. This is important. Very important area. Okay. These are the keywords. Okay. And you can look it up. Book bolt right here where it says keywords. Search. Keywords. Let's do password. Okay, passwords. Okay, that's a little better. Okay, notebooks for passwords. Password notebook. And they tell over here if it's high. It has a CPC. Notebook password. So you can take these and then we can copy them and paste them. This is notebook for passwords. Looks like a pretty good one. And then we can paste it. But let me show you another way too. You can download a Chrome extension for Amazon, and it's this right here, KDP. Just do Chrome extension for KDP and it'll come up. It's kind of cool. But let's just say that we did okay, this just kind of, it helps you out. Okay, so discrete password. Okay, so this is what I do. Okay, password book. Okay, that would be one. Internet password organizer. That would be one. Online order logbook. That's a keyword. I forgot my password. Are you kind of getting what I'm putting out? Go ahead and then enter those between here and here. You're going to have plenty of keywords. Okay, I got my passwords entered in. Okay, categories. All right, all you have to do is click on choose categories. And this right here, you need to know where to find it. Well, if you go into Book Bolt, and then over here in the left-hand column, if you scroll down to KDP categories, and let's type in, let's try password book. Password log book. Let's just see if it changes. We're going to go with nonfiction, design, and book. Okay. Okay. Nonfiction, design, book. That's what I'm going to go with. And save. Adult content, no. save and continue. Okay, we want to go, yes, assign me a number. Assign black and white, interior white paper. Okay. Trim 6 by 9. Okay, I'm just gonna leave these all the same. Okay, right here we want to upload the interior. Okay, for the cover, let's upload a cover we already have. Cover, open. Now let's scroll down. Okay, I previewed it and it looked okay. Save and continue. Okay, this is the printing cost because, again, Amazon prints it, delivers it. They literally make it, create it, do everything. All right, save and continue. Okay, this is where you pick your price. Now, the average is about $5.99 to $7.99, but I actually did my research and I went to Amazon.com and seen how much these password books range from. So I'm going to put mine at $4.99. Okay, you're probably thinking that's just chump change. And you can find other books that's more than $4.99. But since we did this one, it's a great example, so I'm just going to do $4.99. But this is the royalty, which would be what I get. But that's okay because, again, this is passive income. It took us 5 minutes to create it, and then that's it. Publish your paperback book. You can literally make money while you sleep. There we go. Isn't that a pretty neat way to make money online? But it's only so much money. So if you are interested in making more money with passive income, then you're definitely going to want to check out the first link in the bio because it's way passive and it can start a whole business for yourself where you can actually quit your 9 to 5 and you're going to make a whole lot more money than you are with this really cool idea that I just taught you. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And then I think if you like this video, the next one you're going to love. So watch that video and I will see you on the next one.